Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the TV and your device ready. Turn the Sony TV on, then open Settings and navigate to Network, Wi-Fi Direct so the TV begins advertising itself. On the phone or laptop, enable Wi-Fi and location services and temporarily disable cellular data or other networks to prevent automatic switching. Once done, keep both devices within a few meters. Proximity improves pairing success. This gets you directly into the discovery phase without wasting time on generic network setup. Next, you initiate the actual connection from your device. Open Wi-Fi settings and pick Wi-Fi Direct or screen mirroring. Names vary by OS. Your device will scan and list the Sony TV. Tap that name. If a PIN appears, enter it exactly as shown. Sometimes the TV displays a code you must confirm. Make sure to also confirm the incoming request on the TV by selecting Accept or Allow. By doing both sides quickly, you prevent timeouts and establish a direct, secured link for streaming or file transfer. Finally, confirm the connection and begin using the link. On the Sony TV, you should see your device listed with a connection status or IP address. Once visible, start casting or mirroring from the app or OS by selecting the TV as the output. If content stutters, move closer or close background apps on the device to free bandwidth. If pairing fails, one key troubleshooting step is to restart Wi-Fi Direct on both the TV and the device. Then retry pairing. This clears transient conflicts and often resolves issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.